Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is e-learning zone. Myself Arup Kumar Parvot is going to discuss comprehensively about the servicing of vehicle. Standing on 21st century, vehicle plays a significant role in our life, and to get beneficial output or correct efficiency from vehicle, we should maintain vehicle or to have correct servicing timely. Let's start. First of all, we all should know, number 1, what is vehicle servicing, number 2, why it is so needed, and number 3, the types and the procedure of servicings. Now we have a question, what is vehicle servicing? According to this question, the answer is a motor vehicle servicing or tune-up is a series of maintenance procedure carried out at a set time interval or after the vehicle has traveled a certain distance. Now the second question is, why it is so needed? The answer is, comparing with human being, we are cleaning ourselves and keep our body parts active to be healthy. Like this, vehicle should be cleaned and correct servicing of its parts to run the vehicle correctly and give us our desired output. Now we have several questions that when we should do servicing or the parameters affecting the servicing. The answer is following. The actual schedule or car maintenance varies depending on the year, make and model of a vehicle, its driving condition and driver behavior. Car makers recommended to so-called extreme or the ideal service schedule based on impact parameters such as number 1, number of trips and distance traveled by the trip per day. Number 2, extreme hot or cold climate condition. Number 3, mountainous, dusty or iced road. Number 4, heavy stop and go versus long drive. Some documents to be kept for servicing purpose, that is, the completed services are usually recorded in a service book upon completion of each service. A complete service history usually added to the result value of the vehicle. Now the types and the processes should be discussed. Number 1, washing of vehicle timely. Number 2, oil and oil filter changing at its time. Number 3, air filter should be changed timely. Number 4, fuel filter, that is diesel or petrol filter changing timely. And number 5, coolant should be changed at its time. Now the types will be discussed in details. Number 1, vehicle washing. It is very important outlook or outer expression of our vehicle. We can do this washing ourselves or by a car washer. The steps of washing is follows. First step, to remove the dust by dry cloths, and number 2, clean its body part by wet cloths with detergent, shampoo or other car washing liquid. Now the steps of washing a car or vehicle is displaying in the screen. So we can watch this page for some time and get understand how the process is. At the time of washing, we have some precaution to do. Number 1, change the well-clothed dress and take a ordinary one. Number 2, use appropriate car washing liquid. And number 3, spray or throw water immediately after washing with soap, because soap bubbles are dries in few minutes. Besides this, we can take the car to service station and wash our vehicle through service automatic washing tools, but it is somewhere expensive. Now discussing about oil and oil filter changing. Oil means lubricating oil, which is popularly known as engine oil, have to be genuine quality and superior grade, because engine oil makes friction lower for moving and rotating components of engine. We should check the oil level by dipstick, and after a certain period of time it should be changed, and change of oil filter is also important for oil filtration purpose. And generally, when a car runs more than 15,000 km, we should change the oil totally, but after draining of pre-existing oil. This process is so easy that we can do this in our home also. The instruments and accessories used for oil changing purpose is displaying on the screen. We can watch the screen for several times. Now the steps of oil and oil filter changing is also displaying in the screen one by one. We should read this and understand. Now air filter changing process will be discussed. First of all, we should know about the working principle and the purpose of air filter in vehicle. Air is very important substance for combustion purpose because of containing oxygen, which is helping fuel to burn, and for this purpose our desired air should be free from any kind of dust particle or any rust of environment. It is the reason why air filter is needed for vehicle. We should check air filters working, and when we find some problems, we should change this. We can do this easily at our home also. Generally, at a interval of every 50,000 km, it should be changed. We have some visual about the tools needed to change air filter. We can watch this. Now also follow the steps to change air filter through the visual on screen. Now the process of fuel filter changing will be discussed. Before this, we should know about the fuel filter purpose in engine. Fuel means petrol or diesel, etc. have to be good quality, and before entering to the combustion chamber, it is filtered by a fuel filter. After a period of time, fuel filter have to be changed. To change fuel filter, we have some instrument or equipment to collect. They are showing on screen. Have a quick look. and the steps of changing fuel filter is showing on screen. Please carefully watch this. Now I will discuss about the changing process of coolant in engine. But before this, we have to know about the workings of coolant in engine. A coolant is a substance, typically liquid or gas, that is used to reduce or regulate the temperature of a system. An ideal coolant has high thermal capacity, low viscosity, low cost, non-toxic, etc. In vehicle or automobile industry, it plays a vital role. It works to provide engine high temperature lowering purpose, and after a certain period of time coolant should be changed. The equipment needed to change engine coolant are visible on screen. We have a quick look about the instruments. Now the steps of changing coolant of engine will be visible on screen. So we have to follow the steps and watch this for several times. So I have discussed thoroughly about the servicing of any vehicle, that is washing of it, oil and oil filter changing, air filter changing, fuel filter changing and coolant changing. Beside this, we have some matters to follow also. They are: number 1, replace spark plug. Number 2, check the level of brake fluid and when it is required then change it. Number 3, check brake pads, liners, brake disc, drums and replace if worn out. Number 4, check coolant hoses. Number 5, check the charging system. Number 6, check the battery. Number 7, check level and refill power steering system. Number 8, check level and refill automatic or manual transmission fluid. Number 9, grease and lubricate components to be checked. Number 10, inspect and replace the timing belt or timing chain if needed. Number 11, check the condition of the tires frequently. Number 12, check proper operation of all lighting system. And number 13, check for any error codes in the ECU. So that is all we have to do or maintain to gain healthy vehicle efficiency through the vehicle servicing process. So care your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned a lot of things and develop your knowledge about the vehicle servicing.